The first proverb is self done is soon done. This proverb tells us to depend on ourselves. When you depend on others, you have to do according to their time convenience. All those people who are successful, they are self motivated and they have achieved their goals because they themselves work hard. They do not depend on others. So this is self done is soon done. Second proverb, actions speak louder than words. Only rather than speaking, what people actually do is more important. People will also believe you when your actions and words are same. Saying is one thing and doing it is another thing. So actions speak louder than words. A good beginning makes a good ending. Now this proverb means if you are focused towards your goal well in the beginning, you can achieve it. That means the ending will also be good. It also means well begun is half done. Starting something well, obviously the ending will also turn well. Next, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Before doing any experiment or anything, one must have full knowledge about that thing. Little knowledge will mislead people. Sometimes they think they can manage the rest on their own, which is actually not true. So little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Next, a person is known by the company he keeps. Even if a person is good, but the company he keeps is bad, sometimes it happens that at a certain point, that good person also comes under the bad influence. People judge you by your friends, so always be surrounded by good people. Next, a poor workman always blames his tools. Now, it happens that a failure will always blame others for his failure. But a wise man takes up the responsibility to accept that he failed because he was not skillful. If you have skills, sometimes with bad tools also, a person can do wonders. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A person who is always moving, who doesn't have any fixed place or job, he doesn't want any responsibilities. So he will never achieve any success. Sentence, Mr. John was a rolling stone before joining this work. A stitch in time saves 9. If something is torn for the first time, it may require only one stitch. But if you ignore, maybe later you will require 9 stitches. That means if you solve any problem immediately, it can save a lot of effort, time, work later. That is the importance of a stitch in time saves 9. Next, Rome was not built in a day. Any achievement doesn't come in a day. Continuous dedication, devotion, struggle leads to best always. No one achieves fame in just one day. Rome is a beautiful city, but time and efforts both were needed to build it. Next, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. A person will get bored only if he is continuously working. We must take some time off from our busy schedule and have fun with our friends and family. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, this eating of fruit actually keeps you healthy. Apples have vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. It reduces cholesterol, prevents tooth decay. So certainly you will have health benefits. If you are physically fit, then you will be mentally fit too. So this proverb actually stresses the importance of eating a fruit. Next, prevention is better than cure. This is applicable in the current situation of COVID-19. If we follow certain guidelines, it will always help. It is always helpful for us. It is easier to stop something in the first place than to repair the damage that is already done. So, prevention is better than cure. As you sow, so shall you reap. Now, this proverb means we all are responsible for our deeds or actions. If you do good to others, you will certainly be rewarded with goodness. 14th next, barking dogs never bite. People who make a lot of noise or who threaten other people actually in practice cannot do anything. Barking dogs may appear frightening, but are actually harmless. Next, better late than never. It is better to do something late than never do it at all. A sentence could be, a teacher said to a student, "You have submitted the project on the last day, but better late than never." Next, bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This means it's better to hold on to something which you already have rather than trying to get what you don't have. Maybe it's a risk and you lose whatever you already had. Example, never try to put all your earnings into one investment, hoping that you will get much better profit, because bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Next, cheaters never win and winners never cheat. Cheating will get caught someday, and so they can't win, and those who are focused will anyways know how hard they have to work. So they will not cheat because there is no shortcut to success. Next, charity begins at home. Someone should first take the responsibilities of their members at home. See their needs first. Take care of your family or people living close to you before you actually go out and help the society or the country. See if everything is okay at your house. That is the meaning of charity begins at home. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Now this line is actually very ancient, but we still know its importance even today. For today, like we know the threat of COVID-19, and we also know how important it is to keep our surroundings clean. But this proverb also stresses on cleanliness of our mind, soul, thoughts also must be clean. Next, early bird catches the worm. This proverb means that a person who is active or takes initiative at the beginning to do a certain task will always gain a lot of advantage than others who just give excuses. For example, as soon as the admissions notice came out, students rushed because they knew early bird catches the worm. Next, empty vessel makes the most noise. Those who have very less knowledge just keep talking and they create a fuss. They confuse people. They just boast about that they will do this or they will do that, but actually in practice they lack wisdom or they lack knowledge. On the other hand, people who talk less know what they are talking about, they are focused and they have more knowledge or wisdom. Next, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A person whom you consider as a friend will always prove to you that when you are in need, your friend will always help you. A fake friend will always escape when you need help. Now the best example is, you've already heard the story of two friends and the bear. So that means a friend in need is a friend indeed. Next, God helps those who help themselves. Again, this is ancient. Self-help is the best help. Applicable for students also. Students will have to work hard rather than only just praying to God. If they actually want success, they will have to work hard. Next, hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. Now, cradle means actually a baby's cot where the baby sleeps. In this proverb, significance of mothers in the development of a child is emphasized. A mother has the greatest power in the world because she can influence a child to become a great human being. So this proverb actually signifies the importance of mother and how she can, or a woman can actually rule the world. Next, haste makes waste. If you do any work hurriedly just for the sake of finishing it, the end product will not be effective. Too much hurry will result into a lot of waste of efforts, money, materials, etc. anything. So anything that you just do it for the sake of finishing it may not always result into good